Now I'm going to show you how to do reverse compound. So let's say in a bank here, you invest a certain amount into this bank here. It's giving you 6.3% interest per annum. Annum here means per year. So every year this bank here is going to give you 6.3% interest. And you're going to invest, well, you're going to leave your money there for 8 years. And then at the end of it all, you've got, let's say, let's say you've got 938 pounds. So what was this original amount here? So now, again, it's reverse percentage problem. So we are working backwards now. So let's draw a diagram to see what's going on here. Hang on, just draw the diagram. 0 here, 0 here, 1. Well, this is going to be your X amount, your original. This will be X. Because that's what you're trying to work out. Now, after 1 year, after year one, you're going to get a bit of interest, 1.063. Okay, you're going to get this this amount of interest for doing nothing. It's just interest that the bank's paying you. So this amount here would be 1.063x. Okay, whatever x. Well, we're going to work backwards, so bear with me on this. So after year 2, at the start of year 2, this amount here, this would be a new original here. Okay, it would be 1.063x. This would be the new original. Okay, so let me take this. Let me rub this off. So after year 2, you're going to get another bit of interest, which is this level here will be 1.063. Okay. Well, after year 2, you've got to get your original here times this amount here. Okay. And it will equal this amount here, which is 1.063 squared x. Okay, because if you get this times this, it would be this 1.063x, and then you times 1.063 again. So look, because these are all the same, they're the same, so you can just merge these two to give you 1.063 squared, and then you got to times another x, so times x. So this will be your amount at the end of the year, or at the end of year 2. So now dot to year 8. Okay, so hang on, at the start of year 8, yeah, at the start of year 8, it would be hang on, 0 0 1. At the start of year 8, it would be this. Hang on, 1.063. 3. Look at this here. Once at year 2, it's 1 less. Okay, so this would be hang on, after year 8, this would be to the power of 7. Well, to the power of 7x. So this would be our original here, and then at the end of year 8, it would be 1.063, and then you got to get this times this thing here, and then it would give us this thing here. So hang on, let me erase this bit here. Oh, whatever. So hang on. So it would be this here times this thing here. So it would be 1.063 to the power of 8x. So this will be our final amount. But we're told that at the end of it all, we've got this much. So you can say that this is the same as this here. Okay, so now put it into an equation. Well, well, what we did was we're gonna let x be represent our original amount, and then we are just following x through each year. So after blah 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 blah, we are following it all the way to year 8. So at the end of it all, this here would represent our final amount. So remember, this x here represents the original value here. So basically, put it into an equation now. 1.063 to the power of 8 x equals 938, because we're told in the question that at the end of it all, our final amount is £938. So we can say that, well, this bit here is this, and this one here is this. Okay, so now it's just a matter of solving x. At the moment, you've got this bubble here times this bit here. So get rid of this bubble here. So divide both sides by well, somehow get x on its own. So it would be this. Hang on. It would be this. X equals 938 divided by 1.063 to the power of 8. Because remember, powers are more important. So this exists in a bubble here. So at the moment, you've got this bubble here times the x. So get rid of this bubble here, leaving x on its own. Okay. So now just jump to a calculator. Clear it. Let's 1.063 to the power of 8. Oh man. Hang on. Scientific. Okay. One. Oh, hang on. I don't really like this calculator, so bear with me. This to the power of, no, that's times. Hang on, let me start again. 1.063 to the power, hang on, this button here, to the power of 8 equals this. Okay, and then you've got to get 9. You've got to get this number divided by this number here. Where's the memory store? Yeah. So cancel this. So now get 938 divided by this one here equals this. So it's £575 and what? And 36 pence. Okay, so we've just worked out this value here. So if you follow it through, every year you get a tiny bit of interest for 8 years. Then well, if you put this amount into the original here and follow it through all the way, and then it would take you to this amount here. Okay,